Hello, dear viewers. I welcome you all to watch my video on trade with triple pips. So, I guess here we actually used to share our trading and our point of view of the market, and it's specifically to the gold pair because it's been widely accepted with different nations, different communities as a payment, as a mode of payment throughout many centuries. So this market is age old and that much solid and concrete. So that's why we focus on this market, and that's because of that this market has its high volatility too. And last day, yesterday, let me zoom out a little bit. Yesterday, as we can see, we shared our possible buy stop and sell stop in our YouTube channel and as well as to you. And I guess those who follow us and watched those videos and copied it, I guess you can all be in a dilemma that how and the market moved around 150 pips, but no buy stop or sell stop liquidity has been triggered for yesterday. Well, my friends, I would like to tell you that yes, when we declared our entry as a buy stop and sell stop for obvious reason, at that time, if I would tell you to put a buy entry at that particular time, as in like here, obviously you can make a good sum of money. But in this kind of scenario, what happens is it can either gives some spike then move on, or it consolidates and then it actually moves in a certain direction at a long period of time. So uh, you know you never know the future. So to make things more clearer and more precise, that's what actually we try to do over here. So to make things more precise, we actually put buy stop in the zone where the buy liquidity activation percentage can be get higher, because at that time there could be some seller stop hunts could happen, or at that time the market makers swaps their trades from bearish to bullish. So we try to identify these levels, and that's how yesterday, as we see, the market was a little bit zigzag. It actually went buy, it actually went sell. It was like a lot more hazy. But the levels are legit according to our analysis, and that's why today we are gonna have the same levels like we did for yesterday. So let's again put those just in front of you in this video. So for long position, if I'd like to say that yes, for long position, I guess it will be better that we start buying gold if it crosses and closes at least minute 5 candle over 1960 level. So if that happens, then I guess I will be convinced that yes, market is now shifting to bullish. So if not, then obviously I'm not convinced, because gold actually been through a lot more sell pressure recently. So for obvious reasons, I would like to say that buying will be not a very much good choice for gold right now at this scenario. So for us, we prefer selling, and that's why we can put our buy only just to be on the safe side in the long run. Okay, so let's edit it. So the entry price for our buy should be from 1960. profit level should have to be uh, like previously, it's 1985. And let's talk about the stop loss. The stop loss will be just like yesterday, 1940 level, because I can't risk my trades with the hands of insurance companies buying and selling repeatedly at the same levels over and over and again, and just making some couple of bucks and giving me stop losses. So that's why, for that reason, I actually, even if the gap is huge, I don't mind, but I prefer playing safe. Now, this is the buy opportunity that we are thinking of. Now let's put some sell side of thinking. Well, I guess making this video already triggers our sell position. It could be because we thought that 1940 could be a good level to put a good sell, and market is right now 1940.3. So guys, I'm sorry, I've been updating you late, but at least it's better late than never. So let's get back to put our sell threads for today. And you know why? Right now, most of the cases and most of the traders now preferring gold to put sell, because uh, though there have been some geopolitical tensions around the globe, but in the end, uh, gold is also a safe haven currency. But as you know, Russia is geopolitically manages some of the shortcomings he had on the very uh, primary stage of the conflict. So I guess at that context, gold is right now is not only the safe haven. People actually move to some other commodities like oil or some other, because last few couple of days we have seen that oil moved a little bit. There has been some movement on oil, right? So for obvious reasons, or we cannot ignore that too. And for oil market, I guess uh, you know as for geopolitical tension, it actually is that much complex like that of gold. So uh, in terms of liquidity movement, we prefer trading on gold, and that's why we are going to share you our analysis today. Is that like the previous one, which is the sell side will be active from 1940 level, and it will continue up to 1915 level. Well, apparently you can say it 1920. So, but when it reaches 1920 level, I guess it will be better if put some partial profits right at that level, and the extra 50 pips when it touches 19 1915 level. So I guess at that time, those 50 pips you can either ignore or can grab it with some little lot position, so that it doesn't hamper your equity much. And the stop loss for ourselves side is always obviously for today's 1960 level, because that's how it actually works. So yeah, that's actually our expected positions for today. So the buy side will activate from 1960 and extend will up to 1985, and the bearish liquidity may get active from 1940 level, and it will last till 1915. But just to be make you clear, the sell side is already been activated. So the thing is that if the price actually comes at least this level at like 1955, you can start a little bit hedging just before entering and shifting your interest to buy. But I guess the chance is low to go buy for today. It will go sell. That's what we are actually expecting for now. And it will, when it will go touch 1920 level, I will request you to put some partial, profits along the way. And let's see what happens. And thank you all for watching, and stay connected to us in social media to get update more. And so thank you all for watching. Have a nice day, and obviously don't forget to put like and subscribe our channel on YouTube so that you can get the update of the videos.